Hi guys, welcome back to the Rabbit Learning. In the previous video, we have learned variables and the data types. In this video, you are going to learn typecasting and comments in Python. Create a new file named typecasting.py. Let's take an example. A equals to 67, print A. If I print this, the output is 67. And if I print type A, so this gives the type of A. Now try this. B equals to 21. Print B and print its type of B. Even though A and B looks the same when printed, they are completely different types. One is an integer, the other is a string. So why typecasting matters? Let's say you get age from somewhere and it's stored as a string. If you want to check if the person can drive, Python will throw an error because you can't compare a string with a number. So you need to convert B to an integer. So let's start it. Let's type C equals to int B and print C. And also print the type of C. This works. Now C is an integer version of the string B. The original B stays unchanged. Another example is D equals to 98754 and take E equals to strd. Print type of E. Here, D is an integer and we are converting it to a string using a str function. That's it for the video. In the next video, you are going to learn how to take user input. So keep coding.